Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Kmart family pie maker frittata. It's just potatoes and onions, so it's actually a vegetarian dish. The ingredients are in the recipe box below, so let's get started. I have peeled the potatoes and cut them very, very thinly, about 1 to 2 mil thick, and I'm just going to cook them in the microwave for about 5 minutes just to soften them. You don't need to do this step, but otherwise eggs are going to get too cooked when you're cooking them. Okay, just while our potatoes are steaming in the oven, we've got our 2 eggs, fresh cream, half a teaspoon of vegetable salt and some freshly cracked pepper. Okay, now just mix that all around until that salt and pepper is well combined, and the eggs are basically broken up because we need them to mix all through the potatoes. There's only 2 small potatoes in our 250 gram, or about a half a pound of potatoes for this recipe. Now we're going to cook it in a piece of parchment paper, or baking paper. We just get that, scrunch it all up, and then it'll fit quite easily into our Kmart pie maker without remembering its original shape. So just press that in with the little mold thing that comes with the pie maker, and that should hold its shape. Okay, put that to one side. We've just cut up some spring onions here. You could put bacon, sausages, salami, whatever you want in this, but we're just going to make this a really, really basic one that you can have with a garden salad or sort of like a potato bake. Quick, easy, cheap. You can do it with just a few ingredients and it tastes yummy. Okay, our potatoes are out of the microwave now, and you can see they're not completely cooked, but they really have lost a lot of that firmness that they had. We're just going to scoop those into there, mix it all around so that every piece of potato is in contact with our egg mixture, which will heat it as well, so that'll speed up the cooking process. It's quite hot, so just be careful here. You could use a mandolin to slice this, but I was already dirtying a knife to cut the spring onions, so I thought, why not? It's only 2 potatoes. Let's go with that. Don't need to wash them either. That will help sort of cement them together in our egg custard mixture. And then we're just going to pour these into the pie maker, and don't snap the lid shut because there will be some steam emitting from this and it could bubble over, which is something that I've just learned and might be handy for you to remember with your pie maker as well. Okay, now let's mix this around so that all of the potato is in contact with our custard mixture, and now we're going to put in our spring onions. We're not going to sprinkle them on the top, we want them all the way through. They're going to go sort of almost a greeny colour, but that's okay. They're sweet and they're cooked in the custard and they will be delicious. So we get our cold pie maker. It's actually a bit warm because I've just made a coconut pie, and if you haven't checked that out, I think you'll want to spend a few minutes on that video as well. So into our pre-prepared pie maker. Okay, put all the egginess in there. Okay, ready. Now close the lid, don't snap it shut because you want the steam to escape, and turn the pie maker on, and we're going to give that about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, after 12 minutes this is what you should have. It's well and truly set, comes away from the paper quite easily. I don't know if you can see a little bit of brown colouring on the edges there. It is going to be blonde on the top. There isn't much you can do about that. So you can either sprinkle it with a little paprika just from a height, sprinkle it with some extra herbs if you like, maybe a bit more freshly cracked pepper, and there you have it. Quick and easy, 2 potatoes and a bit of cream, a couple of eggs, and you've got a very simple lunch. It's even nice cold. And you just pick it out like so, and the pie maker is still clean. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho Cooking's potato frittata made in the Kmart family pie maker. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, simply check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe. Just tap that little notification bell and you'll never miss another interesting recipe. We've got something there for everyone. You can follow us on Pinterest, Instagram, Tumblr and Facebook. Thanks for watching. Okay, there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's frittata cooked in the Kmart family pie maker. It's well and truly set, nice and golden on the bottom. The egg and custard mixture has mixed all the way through the different layers. It's easy to handle without a knife and fork, so it's great for a picnic. And it tastes gorgeous. Thanks for watching.